So on this guitar, I think it would be just incredibly difficult to try to wire it up with the components in a guitar. It's too tight. It's just would not be it'd be too difficult. This would be easier to wire outside of the guitar. You know, if you were soldering this, you would never try to solder in this tight of a cavity. You would do it outside. So it's the same thing with the Terminator system. So what we're going to do is we're going to wire it outside. So how we're going to do that is I'm going to get a piece of cardboard, cut a piece of cardboard, place it on the other side, mark the cardboard, and then wire it on top. So let me get some cardboard and start with that. All right, so I cut a piece of cardboard. It's about the size of this control cavity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over, the guitar over, and I'm going to basically just kind of tape this down. Let me go get our blue painter's tape. I don't think you can let you see it there. I'm sorry. Let me flip this 180. There you go. So set this here. And we'll get our blue painter's tape. Just loosely go there. Loosely go there. I think that's good. All right, flip it back over. And there we go. So now, got a little pen here, pencil, a little Sharpie. Just going to go in each one of these holes. Just make a little circle. Yeah, I think we got it. Flip it back over. Pull off our tape, blue painter's tape. And there we go. We got the exact replica of what was on there. It's going to go this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just you can try to cut out the little holes. I think what I'm going to try and do is just do like an X with a razor that's slightly larger. Just go across. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go down and just set it on the floor, cement floor, and just kind of do an X. And maybe we can push the pots into there. See how that works. So this is main thing is you got the template. So if you want to cut them out, you can. I want to do the X thing. So. All right, so I went down and I cut little X's here, just kind of so I can push stuff through there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the stuff in here. So let's move the guitar out of the way. So I've already taken the components out of the bag. You know what, I'm just going to take these off. So I'm going to take the nuts and washers off. I'm going to set them out of the way. This is a volume pot. Shove it in there, just like that. So I got the toggle switch. Shove it in there. There we go. Take the nut and washer off here already. I'm going to set it off to this side. Put this one in here. There we go. Here's our other goes to 11 volume pot. Take the nut washers off. Leave the one nut on. It's not going to hurt anything. There we go. We want to get them somewhat orientated to what is in the cavity. So let's bring the guitar up here. So you can see we have these deep pockets. So we want to make sure that, so we want to like turn this one that way. This one can come this way. So we're just kind of eyeballing a little bit to where, now this one's got to be, because this way the switch works, we want to make sure that it works the way we want. We have room to move back and forth, which we're good there, I think. So, I think this one's good. I think that one's good. That's good. I think that one's good. So I think we're all right. Let's move the guitar back out of the way. And we'll just start wiring it right here. It's not even going to mess around with trying to do this on top of the guitar or near the guitar. We don't have to until it comes time to hook up the pickups and the bridge ground. So I'm going to take these. I'm just going to wrap them underneath. This is the Mad Hatter SDV DT 4.2 system, which is part of our Transformer series. And the way this works is when you pull on this push-pull pot, it's going to change the value of this pot from 500K to 250K. And it's going to split the respective pickup. So this is maybe a little different setup, but what we're going to see here is it's going to be pretty much the same type of techniques as far as putting the, as far as wiring it up. So let's go ahead and start doing that.